Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this last warning Naruto filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. Okay, there's music also, but I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike, but there's music also. Okay, and you can choose between different layouts here. Choose whatever you want. To use this effect, just press and hold the camera button and wait for it. Okay, so this was the filter. To get this effect, what you have to do, visit the creator profile, and Jiva is the creator of this effect. You can follow her to unlock all our filter to your Instagram camera tray. She's having some awesome filter. So check in our filter gallery. She's having lots of filters, so check carefully. Okay, and this is the filter, last warning Naruto. Tap on it. You will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, from here you will see a preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do? Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon or effect link is also here. Just tap on the effect icon or tap on the effect link. Okay. And likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, see you in the next video.